All right, great. So this presentation is in English for my prospects. This is Jay Morla, financial coach here in the area of New York and New Jersey. And I wanted to talk about what is this Experior Financial Group. I mean, what's the breaking news about it? Why to join us? Because of the compensation and probably more. And this has to be because we are an IMO. An IMO company means that is a managing insurance managing office, which is we are located in Canada and also in the United States, and our offices are in Buffalo, New York, and we are licensed in more than 50 all 50 states, and waiting for Puerto Rico to come up to do business in Puerto Rico as well. And we have been described as the fastest growing financial service company in Canada because it has about 9.5 years, and it is top out about number six among 400 plus MGA companies. All right. So that is a great thing to know about Superior Financial. What do we have? Ground floor opportunity is vested from day one. It means that you will own your book of clients, your book of business is yours. Licensed, like I say, in all 50 states. We have about 32 carriers available, and I will tell you which one are those that you will see it here in the presentation, and your personal contract ranging from 70 to 150 plus percent in bonus that can go up to 130%. And the total compensation to the field that it goes to over like to 158%. We have our assurance bay enabled for the fast contracting for the process for those that come from different companies and want to join us in the force. And then immediate release of business upon transfer, not the typically that happens on the industry that they have to wait 6 to 24 months hold for somebody to transfer. So the legacy of the ownership of the agency and the hierarchy, and I will definitely explain that in more details. The carriers that works with us, when I say more than 32 carriers, is our life partners. These are companies that we represent as brokers that they've been in the market for over 100 years, some of them, okay? We have big names like National Life Group, F&G, AIG, North American, Great Western, all these companies doing phenomenal in finances. We have the opportunity to be their partners and represented as their carrier. On the health partners, for those that has health license, they represent and they can sell Humana, Cigna, Aetna, Optimum Healthcare, Florida Blue for those in Florida. So it's a phenomenal opportunity. So when I think of, and I say about the 50 states, everywhere where you see it start, that is where we are located. All right. So, and insurance marketing for the digital age. Oh, what is that? Well, there are companies that they do sell the lead, fresh lead, and they never been sold. It means that there is a system where you can buy your lead, okay, starting at 75 cents, meaning that they did a research, they did the marketing campaign, and there are people online looking to talk to an agent. So they put that in the package and they send it, and that's how the insurance lead come on forth to help people. That's what it calls insurance marketing lead. So what is our ecosystem? The Experior entrepreneur ecosystem. For example, I'm inviting you today so you can view the opportunity and see if this is a fit for you as an entrepreneur. You want to open a business, you want to start this new career as an entrepreneur. Let me tell you how our ecosystem works. You're going to find training, which is we have live training recorded. We have the financial analysis software, quoting tools, CRMs, autoresponders, the G Suite, where you're gonna be able to have your email as a professional, like JJ at SuperiorFinancialGroup.com. and your tool for contracting, your tool for reporting your new business and commissions, contracting, and also you have the opportunity to build an agency where you can have agents, new agents or experienced agents that can come and be part of the ecosystem. And you will have a visual tool that will show you where is your leadership located. So to tell you a little bit about the compensation plan, but just to touch on it, we have the opportunity to start right in the bottom as a financial um, manager, FA at 70%, or a senior financial at 85%, or a senior manager at 100%, or the opportunity of being an executive director, like my position, at 115%. But this is a business that lets you override on all the leadership that is going to be coming to be part of your agency. For example, take an agency recruit that has submitted a piece of business of $50,000 in premium, okay? That goes to 120% on the personal sale of the next month. And then it goes so on as a 15 or 20 and on, which is that's going to distribute back to the field 158%. All right. Generational overrides. We go to 7 generations down, meaning that on your first level, let's say that you bring an agent that you train, that you coach, that you work directly with him, you make 14% of that business, that executive director that is also opening his own office or working his own business, bringing his own agent, and what that agency made, 14%. You have a second one, also 14%, and on, that goes from 7, 3 to CDOS. So this industry is wide open opportunity because this business has a wide open opportunity, and you can see the IMO size, product offering, the industry competitive compensation, and online and national support. So you will be training others to build a company within a company. All right, that's fantastic. And also, we have a multiple asset strategies that is going to be able. So this is what it calls the AGA honors move under Experior IMO, so they handle and process in the back office payroll, expand and grow user. So you might ask, okay, but what is this thing of IMO? An IMO is that office that will manage the contracting, the payroll, and the business that is happening in between the carriers and the agent for you to do your business and definitely do better when you are working on it. All right. So let's do what happens for the non-licensed agent. Let's say that you're starting zero, you're starting brand new. Your part-time training and licensing program is with us. Okay, we will show you how to uh, do your pre-licensing class to get certified, and you will do require to get a license by the state that you live in. But I assure that with the training and all the tools that is available for you, you're going to be able to get your exam passed with a very high rate because it's been proven on the pre-licensing that you can be successful doing that scenario. All right. So at the same time, you will have the support of your online and local training support, your leaders, people with experience that is going to help you along the way. A little bit of the um, compensation, I would say, or the motivation is a lot of people. This is a competitive business. I tell you that. All right, because it will move you to wanting more. It will move you to develop yourself as a business owner and grow. As a financial associate, you might begin at 70% contract, but then you can move up a senior financial associate at 85% contract. So all the way up. But let's look at this. When you are at it, executive director that you're making 115 to 130% in commissions with a $60,000 of premium over 2 months of rolling 60 days, you will earn your first executive director ring. Okay. That is going to show authority. It's going to show that you have worked hard for the position, and it's going to show the success. It's like it's a promotion that you're getting for all the effort that you are doing with you and your team. And it goes all the way up as a senior national executive director, building a big organization. Also, one thing that is very important that for us to know is to be part of a company that has the opportunity where they still new expanding, and they give back to the field, to the agents and to the associates of the company share. All right, this is very important. For example, if you were to start with Chrysler when they started, bazillion years ago, a number that doesn't exist, that is made up, but it's very used in the common English language. Those companies, when they started and people were part of it and they had opportunities to buy, to be getting shares of the company, now they have millions of dollars because all the shares that are distributed into that group. So the same thing here, when you become an executive director and produce $60,000 on team premium, you get 2,000 shares of the company. So imagine a company that is heading to 3,000 agents in the United States of America and managing about billions of dollars, and then you having 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 shares of the company. That is what we create, and we believe that this creates generational wealth. All right, we're tapping into generational wealth by knowing that these shares are for you to accrue value. And within the future, when you build a family, if you are a young entrepreneur, um, your family are be able to be part of this because they can inherit your business. All right, your book of business, and um, you will get they'll get the you also get the agency equity opportunity, your certificate, okay, that you own certain stocks in the company. So when I talk about building legacy, your family will earn when you're not on this earth. They can earn and keep earning your residuals and the money that your book of business is making. Isn't that something that is an opportunity that many companies are not, I repeat, are not doing anymore because many of them are for a lot of time in the market. They close those um, opportunities, those doors for people to be part of it. All right, but you can be part of the legacy program, and that I can explain that in details. This is right here is an example or of people that are being successful within our company. They already have their shares with, for example, the story of Mr. Simon Makika. He is from Africa, an African American leader in here in the community, and he has about 70 licensed agents on his organization, making 100,000 plus in personal production, in personal premium production. That's Mr. Simon. We also in our group, for example, this is my leader that we come from, Mr. Darren and Stephanie Golka, senior executive director. Okay, he has over 1,100 plus licensed agents, making $16 million in insurance premium, having $152 million in assets mm, under management. So he within his group being able to manage all these assets. And also we work with the leader, Annie Hewley-Rear, executive director. She is in Canada, a phenomenal woman. She has over 100 licensed agents across Canada and the United States. I work with her directly. I've been trained by her, and she speaks three languages, English, French, and Spanish. And it's phenomenal to be able to work with people so professional and so much willing to help others to grow. And also, I want to mention here Mr. Hernan and Ashley Rodriguez. Hernan Rodriguez is also my mentor, I could say, and my leader. I work directly with him, a guy that he is um, very well prepared, not only in the insurance industry, but also his leadership in technology and wanting to help people, with over 100 plus licensed agents, the same across Canada and USA. So the key points that we want to mention here is number one, we use the Tribrid model. Is the best of all models. Thinking like, okay, in a model of such a AMO, IMO, that didn't work. We fixed it. Let's do it here. In that second scenario, they keep you captive. We fix that. In order, you don't get to keep your book of business. We change that. So we took the 3 points that is being affecting the industry and refine it to make this Tribrid model to be able to work for everybody. So whoever that works to the Experior, I already show you the ecosystem. So we do weekly what is called BTO, which is business timing and opportunity. And timing is running, and this is what we show financial education to a lot of people. And for those that are watching this presentation, contact if you are see it on YouTube, you follow our link or send us a comment and subscribe to our channel, and then we'll be able to provide more information for you.